Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Heyyyitsrahh. So today I will be showing you my braid foundation or my braid pattern underneath my wig. So if you're interested in this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright you guys, so I wanted to show you guys how my hair looked after I washed and dried it. I did dry my hair with a t-shirt, and I wanted to show you the products that I used to wash my hair. So I used this Tingle shampoo from the Rasta Lock Mango and Lime brand, and then I also used the Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner. So this is how this looks, and what I moisturize my hair with is the Cantu Argan Oil leave-in conditioner, and then I also use the Wild Growth oil in the yellow bottle, and then this is what I use for my edges. So right now I'm just going to just show you guys how I braid my hair. I'm not really going to talk through it. I just wanted to show you guys what I do in order, you know, for my foundation to be flat. It's really no pattern, I guess. I mean, I just go with whatever I feel like at the moment, and then I just put my wigs on. So just wanted to show you guys what I do to my hair. And I just wanted to show you guys my natural hair in its natural state. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and leave you guys with me doing my braids, and then I will come back to you guys when I'm all done.
Later.
Okay, so I am completely done. I am putting a scarf on my head and I am going to sleep, you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.